how to see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. So let's get started. It is a very easy process, so make sure you follow this step-by-step guide. Firstly, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon available in the top left corner of your screen to access settings. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down till the bottom until you find My Data option available there and simply tap on it. Inside My Data, they might ask you for your Snapchat username and password. Simply enter it, and after you enter it, you can see your Snapchat data collection. Now here we are only focusing to see the chats of your Snapchat. So simply uncheck every other data and keep only the chat history checked. And simply tap on the next option available there. So once you tap on the next option, you'll be navigated to the page where they ask for the date. So here tap on the date from where you want to see your chats from. Remember the date or the month you have blocked the person from. Here I chose the last month. So now all you have to do is wait patiently for Snapchat to download all the data and send it to the email that you have attached your Snapchat with. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.